Welcome back. Let's do question 2.3. Given the quadratic pattern, which term of the pattern will have a value of 508? So we want to find what's the term number for 508. So in question 2.2, we managed to get that Tn is equal to 3n squared minus 60n plus 301. We managed to find that Tn is equal to 3n squared minus 60n plus 301. So now, if Tn is 508, what is n? So we say 508 is equal to 3n squared minus 60n plus 301. And then what we do, we subtract 508 on both sides of the equation. So we get 0 is equal to 3n squared minus 60n, then minus 207. Okay, right. And then if we check here, we have the highest common factor, which is 3. We can factor it out. So 0, divide everything by 3. Okay, we can divide everything by 3, including the 0. So it becomes 0 is equal to n squared minus 20n minus 69. We can find factors of 69, negative 69, that will give us negative 20. That should be negative 23 and 3, because negative 23 times 3 is negative 69, and negative 23 plus 3 is negative 20. So it means the factors here is x is equal to n plus 3 times n minus 23. It means n plus 3 is equal to 0, or n minus 23 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to negative 3, or n is equal to 23. But remember, n cannot be a negative integer. This is a number of terms, so n should be a positive integer. So this one is not applicable. Therefore, n is equal to 23. Okay, that you could have used your quadratic formula here and say n is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then say n is equal to minus negative 20 plus or minus the square root of b squared. B squared is negative 20 squared minus 4. Then a is 1, c is negative 69. All this over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. So n is equal to, you get n is equal to 3, negative 3, sorry, or n is equal to 23 if you use a quadratic formula. Then this is not applicable. Okay, we can conclude and say, therefore, T23 is equal to 508.